find the entrance. Overline first checks around the plumbing, wiring, cable, and other infrastructure that leads out of a house. He's looking for gaps as small as a dime, through which mice can squeeze in and out. He also scans the foundation of the house and around the garage door for mouse-sized gaps. In all these places, he checks carefully for mouse poop and other evidence of their activity. Pro mouse control tip: stuff copper mesh into gaps, then seal with caulk. Don't try to fill them with foam, Overline warns. I've seen mice nesting in it. 2. Search for oil. Mice leave behind an oily substance wherever they go, he says. The oil, known as sebum, shows other mice the path to food sources and nesting spots. It lingers for up to a year. I see the greasy, grimy trail around the holes that they use as they move around your house, on floors, and inside cabinets, Overline says. Pro mouse control tip: use a strong disinfectant to clean areas where you've seen grimy trails and mouse poop, especially around their entry points, so that new mice don't find their way in after you've trapped those already in your home. Also thoroughly clean up and disinfect any place you see mice droppings, as their location also communicates to other mice. Search for oil. Set many traps. 3. Set many traps. Save on Victor Bulk Snap Solutions. After Overline identifies the patterns of mice's movement in a house, he sets a lot of classic snap traps, like the Victor metal pedal mouse trap, concentrating on the kitchen, laundry room, and garage. If you have a drop ceiling, I'm putting mouse traps up there too, he says. That's a paradise for mice. Pro mouse control tip: mice breed so quickly that you always have more than one.